Okay, today's a special day because I'm going to be going to
Costa Rica.
And I would have told you guys in advance, but I kind of wanted to keep it a surprise for like the people that actually follow and like watch these videos. And I would do like a whole intro and explain like what I'm doing exactly, but let's just get into the video. Let's pack. We're done packing.
Are you going?
Yeah.
I'll be here. I wonder if it's as fun as Scranton. Why are you still shaking me?
Bro, it's like, it's blurry.
Costa Rica, stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned. So sick. Alright boys, we made it past security.
Yes, sir.
Got in trouble though because we got a knife on the...
I wanted to wet the knife.
to do what?
I don't know.
Yeah.
You record that?
I have a large
I had a knife in the back. A large knife. And this guy, he almost deported me.
I sort of told me. I was like, yo, I really want you to.
Are we allowed to record in here? No. Okay. Nope.
Do I feel bad for that family? I feel like we're gonna be like
Very good.
we made it.
Okay, so the time is currently 12:49. It feels like 3 o'clock pretty much for us from America. And the guy that we're renting the car off pretty much just tried to scam us for about $190. And then they didn't include on top that you have to pay a $900 deposit, which none of us have $900 plus $550 for the car itself. And so we're trying to figure out how we're gonna get $1,400 at 1 a.m. in the middle of Costa Rica. We finally got the car!
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Chifrigo.
What's going on, guys? Just slept for about 4 hours in the first Airbnb. I'm just gonna show you guys the outside real quick. Alright guys, we're done with the first Airbnb. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, true. We're used to like $12 for a meal. It's like meal nowhere. Alright guys, currently about an hour and 30 minutes away from La Fortuna, and we're just stopped here to do some camera antics.
I'm sorry.
You're good, bro. We went to the supermarket and picked up some cereal. So we have some protein, some bananas, some water, and some traditional Costa Rican chips.
Girls, which chips are local, and they told us these ones. They're quite good.
Just to vlog versus vlog. No, it's no, banana's a treat.
Alright guys, we're here.
We're here.
We just parked and now we're gonna walk to the hot springs.
Leave a candle in there?
There's a field right there. This will suck.
It's everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's open.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we made it to the apartment in La Fortuna. And we're going to quickly shower. I'm gonna eat this. Then we're gonna get some food.
You gonna eat that shit?
Yeah.
Oh, just throw it. We're gonna eat tonight.
That looks so not good.
What you want? What you gonna force yourself to eat that shit?
So we're gonna get showered. They're gonna grab food, and then we're going to go and try and find somewhere to go out. Okay, so it seems that the air conditioners are broken. So our solution is to leave the freezer open, which is blowing cold air out slowly. Crazy.
Oh, these goes.
This is the price you pay?
No.
Bro, we're fucking stupid.
Yeah.
The AC works.
Close the feature.
Evan, the AC works.
You have AC?
Yeah, we fixed it. We turned his on as well, I think, no? Alright, so we're all showered, ready to go, just made the bed, and we're gonna run and get food, and then try and find somewhere we can go out.
Okay guys, we are ordering burrito and piña colada.
Piña colada.
Bolita.
Colita. Sí. Me gusta colita.
You like that?
Gracias, señor.
It's very nice.
Gracias. Gracias. Buena vida. Alright, so we're almost done with the pina colada, done with the burrito.
Colita.
Colita.
Let me show them the. So guys, we don't have this in USA, France. This is a new flavor from Costa Rica.
Yeah.
I don't know what they put inside, bro.
What is it?
But what?
Are you drunk?
No, I'm not.
Is it good? Nah. Gordito gets his second meal.
Fucking Gordito is
I
hungry.
can't. So we're gonna show you guys what we. Right.
Costa Rica, here we go!
Okay, so last night we went out and we met some people. And when we got back to our apartment, me, Evan, and Paul went out onto the porch and the door closed behind us and locked. So I'll show you guys how this works. We had to pretty much break the door open just to get back into our Airbnb. I had to climb down from here, go around. I went all the way around to see if there was a way to get in. And then when there wasn't, the only way was to break the lock and get in. So here's the other part of the lock that we're now gonna try and repair with glue. All right, so we got the glue, we got some eggs, some bacon, and some milk. I'm gonna cook something up real quick for the boys. Oh my God. Evan's in the process of sandwich making and struggling.
I'm struggling with that one. The other one was pretty good, but
Yeah,
this
bro.
bread is like terrible, bro.
Yeah.
We have a lot of eggs.
Damn. Good, bro. All right. Just left the apartment. We're gonna go for a little hike in
We're going to drive now.
Yeah, we're gonna drive. You're gonna drive.
Ever is scared of driving.
You're gonna crash the car.
No, leave.
You're gonna ask me to pay after.
No, don't worry, bro. Just trust me, right? I'm really good.
They're like a married couple.
I'm conscious.
A married couple, you say?
So we just wrapped up with the waterfall swimming. It was pretty solid actually, but the water was a little cold. But we just drove up into the middle of pretty much the jungle, and we're going to go for a little hike. And yeah, you guys will see some videos of that.
The AC was on 4 and the window was on.
There's no police. All right, guys, we're gonna go swimming right here, me and Paul, and hopefully